65 seconds from calling to arrival. I heard it open on the 3rd floor again, leaving from 4th floor. Only 4th floor button pressed. 3rd floor. In the door, opens. I believe that's 3rd floor. Second floor, pause, opens on 2nd floor. Remember, only the 4th floor button pressed, going down. Third floor flat 12 opposite, 2nd floor flat 9 opposite. And the ground floor. Still not properly fixed, lift number 691.